Welcome back, everybody, to the continuation of our Let's Play of Space Exploration, Krastorio 2 and AAI vehicles. Now, it has been a couple of days since I booted this up the last time, because I was on a short business vacation with the whole company, and, well, I think I got a bit of a sunburn on my head. I'm also still kind of tired because I came back yesterday late evening and, well, today this episode has to go out. So I'm just trying to sneak in a quick episode of Factorio in during the lunch break, which means we are going to try to focus on something real quick. Good. And I think the thing that we were doing last time was we were working on broad astronomic catalogues. And we are already making the, what is this again? The microwave observation data, as well as the X-ray observation data. And the only thing we need to do is to make more of the two other datas, and they require, what's it called again? Astrometric data. And astrometric data is something that we also make out of X-ray observation data and microwave observation data. So this over here should be fine. You're also completely backed up. That is fine as well. We got a whole nice stack in here. That is good as well. And the final piece of the puzzle is going to be gravity wave data over here, which requires astrometric data. And that's it. And a bit of cooling liquid. And the other part is this one. Yeah, this one. The gravitational lensing data. And then, of course, all of this goes together over here into one broad astronomic catalog. But before we do anything of that, our research has passed. We have been researching mining productivity. We're now at mining productivity 5. And I've already started some research over here. I'm just going to resume it because I didn't really want it to tick down while nobody's here. And we are going to do some more of these bio upgrades. There we go. Bio upgrades level 2. This will give us more research efficiency or productivity in this case. This one over here will give us more carrying capacity. This one makes us walk faster. This one gives us more health. And this one over here makes us pocket craft faster. Don't really think we will be doing a lot of pocket crafting. But you know what? If we can research it, why not? And since we already have stored up quite a bit of this research, it goes pretty fast. Let's see, what are we at? We are at... I think we got a productivity bonus of 5% out of that. So we are now at the productivity bonus of about 80% over here, which is really, really, really nice. Good. Strength upgrade should give us like 5 more slots. Let's see if this works. There it comes. There it comes. Come on. Come on. And there they are. Good. Agility, walking faster. Yeah, let's just run through. Actually, we should maybe think about what we're going to do afterwards. What is this? That is life support equipment Mark II. That basically allows us to use more air for less, which is good. There's so much stuff in here. I would rather just put it on something that just takes a while, so we can just ignore it for a while. Wait, do we have Material Science Mark II? We did do that, didn't we? We did do that. Yes, we did do that. Oh, yes. Fuck yes. Give me the tank. Then give me the fun inserters. Give me the inserter capacity bonus. And I think we also need the heavy bearing, because we do need the heavy bearing for these. Yeah, that's a bit weird. You would think that this research over here would be a dependency for this one over here. But you know what? That's fine. Research away. In the meantime, we are going to work on what we need to do over here. So, we're just going to make a perfect ratio for these. I think it will be fine. If we need more of this, we make more of that. And we will see about that soon. So, what do we need? Well, we need 1 gravity wave data and 1 gravitational lensing data every 20 seconds. This machine over here makes almost 1 gravitational data every 20 seconds, I think. We're just going to do this a 1-to-1 over here. And either just give this a bit of a speed module, like only a single speed module over here, and we can just nudge it in the right way, and it should be fine. Then, this machine over here makes 0.3 gravity wave data every 2 seconds. Every 20 seconds, this machine makes 3 gravity wave data. So this over here is a natural 1 to 3, whereas this is a almost natural 1 to 1. And if we take a look at that, then we can easily set it up like something like this. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. Something like this, something like that. And you know what? We could do it like this. Put some speed modules in these, and then just maybe make it so that this one is like about 50% faster. And then we can have it built like this, and that will be more than enough. This will be fine. And then the only thing we need to do, of course, is get the stuff in. Yes, like this, like that, like this, like this. Almost there. My arms are too short again, as always. These go the other way around. There we go. Then we have something like this. Do I still have some speed modules on me? No, but I know I can order up some. We do have some speed modules lying around in the system over here. Let me just go over there. And they should be coming over anytime soon. Also, is it just me or does my mic sound a bit weird? I will probably have to listen to this one back. It could be the fan over there. The fan over there is affecting the mic over here. So that might be an issue, but it feels a bit snary, you know, like as if I have like a little bit of a snare drum on my voice, which makes it a bit weird, but I guess it's fine. Okay, we're now at 1.4, 1.8, 1.8 is fine. There we go. Good. Then, we got a whole bunch of liquids. This thing over here does not require liquids. That's great. You need very cold stuff, and you push out cold stuff, which is a change. Because usually, if I remember it correctly, don't we usually have things like we put in very cold stuff and we get out warm stuff? For example, looking over here. Yeah, we put in very cold stuff and we get out the warm stuff. I think it's the first time I've seen a machine that takes in very cold and makes cold. Which I guess is fine. We can probably just try to recycle it somehow. But that's definitely something we have to keep in mind. And then, of course, we have these over here. I think I see a way. I might see a way. Oh, this is going to be horrible. This is going to be absolutely horrible. So expect something fun. Sure. Sure. This will work. This will work. And then this, that. And then give me some space corner pipe. Pipe. There we go. That'll do. And now we need to do the same thing in the middle somehow. How about this? How about that? How about this? And then we do something like that. That will be fine. That's the way around. And then, of course, for here, we need the very cold input and then the warm output. At least that will be all for liquids. So I guess we're fine with that. Things we do need. Requester chests. A couple. Yeah, at least one over here, one over there. One over here, one over there. Then one over here. None over there. One over here. And then, of course, we need some random outputs. We need some junk data card over here. So how about you? And then you. And you over there. You will be... Where's my junk? There we go. Junk data cards go this way. Everything else goes this way. You over there. The only thing that you make is a solid output. So there's nothing much we need to do over here. Except this and that. And then, of course, limit this chest. Both of them. You over there. Let's see. You order here. You order there. You order there. You order here. Here we go. That should be fine. Do you need anything else? No, but you also have junk data output. You do not. You do not. So the only thing we need is something like this and something like that. There we go. That should be fine. That should be fine. Yeah, that works. Good. And then the whole thing over here needs some kind of power. That's fine as well. Then a lamp over here, a lamp over there, a lamp over here, a lamp over there. These lamps over here, I just placed them because I think it feels correct to place them over here. Okay, let's take the whole thing. And let's find this place a home. I'm thinking about putting it over here somewhere. We do need some ice cold liquids. Ice cold liquids over there. And it's not really ice cold. It's more like 0 degree Kelvin, which is, well, technically it's ice cold. I mean, ice at that temperature will still be ice. But yeah, you would probably not want to put that in your drink. It will basically solidify everything. Okay, let's maybe flip this one around. No, let's not do that. Let's do a partial flip. Yes, good. And these lamps over here, these will be moved over here and over there, because we do need to be out over here and in over there. Ice cold liquid is all the way over here. So how about we try something like, ooh, this will work. That will work fine. And there we go. That's our ice cold liquid. Now we have cool thermal liquid over here. We do have a bit of an issue with the cool thermal liquid because it flows back. It could be the case that yeah, we don't really have a buffer mechanism for this one. What is this one? This one over here is... Oh, wait a minute. Is this the flowback pipeline? That is the flowback pipeline. Never mind. I found the flowback pipeline. We have a flowback pipeline. Perfect. So the only thing we need to do is something like this, something like that, and then huddle it together. Make the pipe a bit shorter. Or maybe, actually, now to think about it. Yes. Perfect. Lovely. I like that. So we don't need this connection. And then you just go like this. Of course, this over here, this will be fine. That goes up and around. And we just need to fill you into this one over here. That will be fine. Something like this and something like that. And then, of course, final pieces. You. Done. And then we need the cold stuff. Cold stuff is over here. This is also, I think, the stuff that goes around. That is the stuff that goes around. We can just extend this over here. There we go. And then we just extend that over there. Here we go. Here we go. Good. That will be the cold stuff. I think we got everything now. Did I miss something? No. Sure. Put the roboport over there. That should cover everything. We got the cold liquids. Oh, we never set up you to order up anything. Yeah, that's going to be an issue. Same thing for over here. You should order up stuff over there. And you are already ready to go. And the only thing we're missing is this data in here. There we go. And suddenly we are making broad astronomic catalogs. Excellent. Now, big question. Never mind, I found it. It's over here. We need to make the next level of science. So let's place you over there. Let's wait for the machine to come over. We can also, and we should definitely pick up all of these. These are not required anymore. Bon voyage. Let's have a quick peek at the clock. The clock says 30 minutes. Perfect. What do we need? We are going to need to make Astronomic Science Packs Mark II. To make Astronomic Science Packs Mark II, we need Astronomic Science Packs Mark I. These will be over here. You are kind of backing up on... Where does it even go? You're full of junk data. Do you not have an output for junk data? Has this thing been broken over here for the longest of times? No. Really? I think it has. I think we've never even discerned between the two different outputs over here. There we go. You over there. You be this. And then you over there. You be junk data. There we go. Let her rip. We only need one stack over here. And let's just help out over here real quick. There we go. And there we go. Yeah, that's gonna stop production at some point in time. And then, of course, we need this. And we need a bit of that. And then copy paste this over. And that's that. We also need the power over here. That will be you. And we also need the robot port over here. And that will be you. And would you look at this? We can just combine this up. Done. And then the cooled liquid. If we move you up by a bit, then we can just do something like this and something like that. And then we're done with this as well. And look at that. Everything is in. Absolutely everything. The only thing that we, of course, need to do, yet again, is the output. There we go. Place it over there. With the main difference that this over here will be Astronomic Science Packs Mark II. And there we go. Yeah, could have done that at the end of the last episode. Well, then the episode would have been like 15 minutes longer. But now we are officially making Astronomic Science Packs Mark II. Which means there's only one more thing left for us to do. And that is the Energy Science Pack Mark II. And let's have a look at that. What do we need for this? So, we need quantum phenomena data, atomic data, subatomic data, and force field data, as well as cold thermofluid. The quantum data is done in a laser facility where we just boil up some blank data cards. That is easy. The atomic data is material testing packs and some ion streams. Ion streams is plasma stream plus rare metal. The subatomic data is blank data cards and proton streams. Proton streams is plasma streams plus iron plates. That's also easy to do. And the force field data. The force field data over here is probably the most complicated of them all because we need to combine up two other datas, and we will have to check out if the other datas are made in some kind of ratio that we can use. Either way, we can already start building stuff over here. Let's start by ordering up the stuff that we need. And start by figuring out the ratio and how we want to build it. And next time around, we can then figure out how to build it. So, what do we need? We need a particle collider. Do we have particle colliders? No, we do not. We have to make them. Do we not have... Is this not a particle collider? That's a plasma generator. Oh, it seems we... Let's have a look in the network. Maybe we do. We have a particle accelerator. But we do not have a particle collider. So we will need to make ourselves a particle collider. There it is. I think we've got all of these around. Yeah, everything can be ordered up. Cool. Give me that, please. Then, subatomic is also done in a particle collider. The proton stream is done in a particle accelerator. Good. Let's just wait for this thing over here to fill up. Also, the tank production is currently not going. Because what are we missing? Oh. Well, there's some chests missing over here. And the girder recycling. The girder recycling is in. Somebody posted at some point in time that we did not have girder recycling. Girder recycling is definitely in. But there are... Are we out of steel chests? Really? Is that a thing? Excuse me, what? Sorry about that. There's some steel over here. Here. Give me this. I'll pocket craft some steel chests. There we go. Yeah, that will help out. And you are missing the corrosion resistance data. That is you over there. And you are missing chemical gel. That's fine. Wait, how are you missing chemical gel? Oh, what happened over here? And the same copy-paste error is over there. Well, that's a bit of an issue. Okay, give me that. What are you missing? You are missing pressure containment data and impact shield data. Pressure containment data, that's the thing that we do over here. And impact shield. Oh, are we not recycling the girders over here? No, okay. That's where we need to recycle the girders. Okay, I got it. Yeah, it's gonna be here. Put this loop over there. Done. And then this thing over here is running as expected. That is the corrosion resistance data. So now this whole thing over here should be working accordingly. Also, why do you have speed modules on you? Because we gave you speed modules, I think, at some point in time. Because it's, I think, a 1 to 2.5 ratio. And we got a 1 to 3. So we just put some speed modules in here to make it go a tad faster. Okay, I can see this machine over here working again. This one over here is still complaining that he's missing something. Um, and the reason that he's missing stuff is because we are missing stuff. Let's just keep it going for a while, and then we can check later on if it is actually working or not. Good. Then let's have a look if that particle collider is done. Let's see. Particle collider. There's a particle collider. Here, give me that, please. Cool. And let's see what we need to do over here and how we need to set this thing up. So, particle collider. Where is that thing? There it is. One of these. And then we do need, that's an electromagnetic machine, a particle accelerator as well. The collider over here. Oh, okay, there we go. Atomic data, subatomic data. Just do it like this. And just do it like that. You are making the ion stream. That's fine as well. Then we also gonna need a plasma accelerator. You over there, you are going to make the proton stream. There we go. And you over there, you're going to do the other science. There we go. You're going to do the quantum phenomenon data. Excellent. And you are just gonna make some plasma. Okay. What are we missing? We're missing one part. The force field data, that's also done in an electromagnetic machine. That is one of these. There we go. Give me one of these, please. Good. And then we got all the points put down. Excellent. So, yeah, don't put any speed modules in there yet. But you are going to be making the force field data over here. Good. Quick peek at force field data. We do need one electromagnetic field data and one polarization data. Currently we are using these over here directly, and I think we've made, was energy science our first build? Yes, it was. And I think we made the perfect ratio over here, which does mean that we are not really exporting the stuff, but aren't we? Are we, or are we not exporting the electromagnetic data? Because that is also a thing that we need for shields. And we are exporting electromagnetic field data. So electromagnetic field data, that's the thing that we are doing. Is that you? That is you. And we are exporting it over here, but I'm not quite sure. Okay, let's have a look at the ratio then. So every 10 we make like 0.95. Every 10 you're gonna need 1. I see. We also didn't really make the perfect ratio over here. We did nudge everything a bit with speed modules. That's also fine. But I can now see where this thing is going. So basically I would want to make the electromagnetic data as well as the polarization data. That's a bit of a weird one. We want to make these on site for the other one over there. Good. That will be fine. Excellent. Okay, then where do we start? Another thing we need is one of these. Bring me one of, oh, I have one of these. Perfect. Because we do want to make the broad energy catalogues. Also, let's have a quick peek over here. We did finish 41 products. We're currently out of airframe poles. They will be coming in via shipment soon. Good. So we need to make one of these every 20. Let's maybe start with the easiest one. That will be this one. Every 10, we make 0.5. So every 20, we make 1. Which means this machine over here and this machine over here is already a natural 1-to-1 ratio. Is it though? This machine has a crafting speed of 1? It is. Good. And then it's going to be 1, 2, 3. And 3. So we already know this over here is a 1-to-1. Let's pick these up. Do not need this anymore. Then, next machine. How about you? You make... Wow. You are fast. You are really fast. You make 1 atomic data every 2 seconds. That kind of that tells me a bit that we might need atomic data for something else. We need it for the portable RTG Mark II. And that's it. Okay, was not expecting that. I mean, every 20 seconds, you're going to make 10. So you are a natural 1 to 10. Okay. I'll take that. Though, if you want to make this thing run at that speed, we do need to feed them up with 100 iron stream every 2 seconds or 50 per second. Can we do that? We would need 5 of these. So it's 5 of these into 1 of these into 10 of those. All same crafting speeds. You got some random modules in you. let's take these out for now. Sure. Doable as well. Let's maybe start thinking about that and maybe start setting it up. I mean, the bots can pick up stuff for us all the time. So it's going to be something like this. And then 1, 2... What do we need the broad energy catalog else for? Efficiency modules? Ooh, that's going to be very important. I mean, I usually tend to overbuild these by a lot. By a lot. By oh so many. This is 10. That is 10. And then one of you from here. And then... I'm just going to go like 1, 2, 3. I mean, if we have these machines laying around, doing nothing, that's fine as well. For now, we're just going to place these down just to see how big the thing is going to be. And then the question is going to be, do we really need to have it that big? So that's the perfect ratio over there into all of these. Then you're next. Yeah, you're a little bit better. You make 0.6 every 5. That is 0.12 every second. 0.12 times... Let's see. Times 5 to 60. 728496. Yeah, it's about a 1-to-8 ratio. No, wait, the other way around. An 8-to-1 ratio. An 8-to-1 ratio, yes. Is it an 8-to-1 ratio? Every 20 seconds? No, every 20 seconds over here, we make 0.6, 1, 2, 2.4. Yeah, that's what happens every 20 seconds. So 2.4 every second. We got, however, 10 of them. So currently, at the state of this, it's a 4-to-1. And that would also mean that we are going to need 16 proton stream per second. This machine over here makes us 5 per second. Yep, 5 per second. If we stay over here, we need 4, 16. So it's a 4 to it's a 4 to 1 to 2.5. If you want to fill this thing up, it's going to be a 16 to 4 to 10. Yeah, we don't need it this big. We definitely do not need it this big. Let's compare it to the other places we have made. I mean, if we compare it to... We make 3 over here. We make a lot over here. Though over here it's fine, because we do need this, I think, for productivity modules. And I would like to have productivity modules. And the blue ones, I think, go into speed modules. So that's fine as well. But for energy efficiency data, we don't really need this many. So we could just cut it. Let's cut it by at least half. So all of this, poof. Actually, cut it even more, because now we can also start cutting all of these. This machine over here will run inefficiently. That's fine. I don't care. And then it's going to be one of these. This one still requires 4 of these. There we go. And then into 2.5 of these. So you know what? We're going to cut another one. That'll be fine as well. And then the final part of the puzzle is going to be this one over here. And you over there, this is another 1-to-1. Look at this. Every 10 seconds we make half of a force field data. So every 20 we make 1. So this one is yet another 1-to-1. I'm just going to place it over here for reference for now. There we go. Which does mean that we are going to have to make 2 electromagnetic field data per 20 seconds, and 2 polarization data. Let's have a quick peek at that again. Polarization data over here. That was this machine over here, where we make 9 every 60. That is some kind of number I don't really care about right now because I'm too tired to calculate. Yeah, it's one of those days. And the electromagnetic field data over here. Yeah, this is nice. Look, every 10 we make 1. Every 10 we need 1. So that's another 1 to 1. I'm just going to 1 to 1 it, which means we are going to need another electromagnetics machine. That is going to be you. There we go. And then we should probably put in the effort over here. We need 1 of these every 10. Get that freaking calculator out. There we go. We make 0.15 per second. We need 1 every 10. So in 10 seconds, we make 1.5. Hey, that's cool. That means one of these machines can fill up 1.5 of these machines. We have 3 over here. So it will be something like this, that, and then 2 in the middle. Yeah, okay, let's I want to make that real quick. I see what we need to do over here. And this thing can go away. That thing can stay. So we are going to have something. Like this and like that. So these machines over here. Move you over there. Move you over there. Let's take you out for now. This is a thing that we do in a laser facility. There we go. There we go. There we go. You did this. That fits. But now we have the issue that this machine over here does not get any input. Now, here's the thing we could do. Move you over there. Move you over there. We just put it on a belt or something like that. And then just move it up like this. Move it up like that. That should be perfectly fine. And then... yeah, I prefer direct insertion, but I think for this one we can do it like this. And then we place you back over there. And now to think about it, if we are already doing it like this, then there's an even better way of doing it. Pick you up. Pick you up. Here we go. You go back over here. You go back over there. Because now it's all in a line. And if we are already going to be pushing out the belt over there, then we might as well just do something like this, that, perfect. There we go. Good. Yeah, this seems fine. I like the way where this went. Now we do want to speed module this part over here a bit. And we might want to compress all of this maybe into a single machine that's also running on speed modules. And then we can have like this one on the left side, this one on the right side. And then we can start making about our broad energy catalogs. Good. Just look at the clock over there. We're now at 33 minutes. So it's the perfect time to give this a call for today. Thank you so much for today. Sorry that I'm a little bit tired today, but the weekend was exhausting. Also, thank you so much for your ongoing support with all the likes, the comments, and the subscriptions. Keep them going. The algorithm is picking us up every now and then. You can see that in spurious episodes, sitting at like 1,000 views instead of the usual like 200, 300 we have, which is absolutely bloody amazing. Thank you so much for that. So, without further ado, if you do like what you see, please do leave a follow, a comment, a subscription. Every one of those actions does help me out in growing this channel to something bloody amazing. You can also find me on twitch.tv/BoldViking, where we do even more Factorio. We are also doing GTFO. Well, we just finished their Billions, so we're not doing that anymore. Rimworld, a game you can never finish. And a whole bunch of other games over there. So get your bumps over there, check it out for yourself. And without further ado, I wish you all an amazing evening. And until next time, see you around!